evening and welcome to this special tribute to the life and work of Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl was born in Wales in 1916 and went to become one of the most celebrated and influential authors of children's literature. Throughout his career, he wrote classic books as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, BFG, and many other, capturing the imaginations of generations of children and adults alike. What sets Roald Dahl apart from other authors is his unique writing style. He has a way of making even the simplest stories come alive with his vivid imagination and humor. He also has a gift for creating memorable and lovable characters, from the quirky, eccentric Willy Wonka to the brave and resourceful Matilda, where Roald Dahl was just more than a great writer. He was also a man with a big heart and strong sense of justice. He used his platform to speak out against cruelty and unfairness and was a tireless advocate of children's. He was also a fighter who never gave up, and his legacy continues to inspire captive readers around the world. In conclusion, Roald Dahl was a true genius of children's literature, and his impact on the world of books will be felt for generations to come. Through his writing, he has captured the hearts of imaginations of millions of people, and his stories will continue to be loved and read for years to come. Thank you for joining me on this special tribute to Roald Dahl. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this amazing author and about his legacy. Until next time, bye!